Okay, so I have a internet business. I started a Shopify store for like women's clothing and things like that. I've been dabbling with online marketing for 2 or 3 years. I was just trying to get a place to like, really figure out what I needed to do. Because I like most people, I bought a lot of courses and things, and I was using my money from my job to fund everything, and I wanted to be able to be at home full time with my son, so I could homeschool and teach him instead of being at my job for 12, 13 hours a day. So when I saw your course, I did some research, and I just, slowly watched, and I saw y'all building, and I started building steam, building steam, building steam. So then I just went ahead and just made a decision. I said, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and get it.
Peace, what's going on?
Man, I'm doing good, man. I'm making money online. So, I took all your strategies, and then I did invest in like eBay course, man. And everything you did, man, everything you told me. And if I could turn this screen around, I don't know if I can turn the screen around.
Yeah, you can. Just double tap it and it should turn. There you go. Wait, yeah, there you go.
I made $2,000 in
come on.
In 3 days.
Come on, man.
Yes. So listen, people don't understand. You gotta get this course. You gotta get this course. I went from 1,000 people to almost 1,200 people in two or 3 days on my Instagram. I went from, I think, 906 people to 1,600 people on my Facebook page.
Wow.
And I'm just like, I watch my engagement grow on my Facebook page. I've been doing everything that the class said. I go. I ain't gonna spit no game, but they gotta go in and get that. They gotta go in and get that. But it's been amazing, man. Just like, cause it just changed my mindset. Changed, like being with you guys, and then I did have a clothing brand, but I had to change it around to where I was giving to people.
There you go.
I had to start, I made a class for how to hire a VA. And then I started I'm gonna do one video about how to make money on eBay, and then Facebook, because everything that I've been doing is just like online stuff, and I've been making like $120 an hour.
Wow.
And like, it's crazy because I was like, I got laid off, and then I had been watching you guys for like, I've been watching you for years, and then I was like, man, I'm gonna go ahead and invest, and I did, and everything turned around. My mindset turned around. I had to get everything going straight positivity. So like, if everybody in here, please share this video. Get tag Brother Ben. Y'all go get this course. Invest in yourself.